Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given a diagram that has ABC as a straight line. Angle BCD is 90 degrees, so we have a nice right angle triangle BCD. The length of BC and BD are given, and we are supposed to write cosine x as a fraction. And the first thing I take note is that cosine x or x degree is an obtuse angle. And there is a special relationship between the obtuse and the acute angle when they are supplementary. Okay, so for part A, the cosine of the obtuse angle is equal to the negative of the cosine of the acute angle. In this case is CBD, the blue color angle. When these two, obtuse and acute, they add up to 180 degrees. Then this happens, yeah? And therefore, for this particular question, if I apply my tuakaso by looking at the acute angle now, then with respect to this acute angle CBD, I have my adjacent side and my hypo here. And that is exactly what we need for the cosine ratio. So this is simply the negative of adjacent over hypo 4/9 with a negative. Okay, so that is the special relationship between the cosine ratio of an obtuse angle and its acute angle. When they are supplementary, they add up to 190 degrees. Now for part B, it's simply to find angle Y. Now my angle is here, purple color. So this is still my hypo 9, but my BC now become a opposite side, and therefore O and H, I'm going to use my sine ratio equals to opposite over hypo. So I will be able to get my sine, my Y degree, pretty fast. Yeah? And final answer, 26.4 degrees to 1 decimal place. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.